Let us just put it out there. Because that 3 million government even talks about in there. A chicken change for challenges amount for good. Will be 18 shops actually. Obi 15 shops actually. Obi whole poultry farming go cover 5,000 beds. Cause you have 300 crates or so. The sick out to feed a good baby. Obi in a fashion shop or be completely gone. Young guy offer fearful for them on any year. BBR gone down. Obi in my four. And now you can say Dr. Nia or no should die is your for baby or damn you'll be shocked. You can say people still don't have a place to live. Yeah. You know direction from NAPO and as a by agency be a country say. More sabia we no monko this particular area abaya bossisi na mo bossisi bi wa eti for the time being no mo ho answer because how they can guarantee am say they no musa kan ya say insu de muna enti monko pe e mo hye dem mamumpie mo hye dem mamumpie hye dem insu dan na musu yiri fam yes eti akwan eti abaya fa wi mu nyina no want to identify certain places in Accra here. Ga west for betimi alcohol, ga east for betimi alcohol. Abosses say kakra for the time being because how are we solving the problem?
Or this care by 350 million.
That is nothing to write home about. Nyoma nipa go through no. Ebi irreplaceable. Eti mesre. Yenya manyo sema ahubaba faso diabre or mining any money for. But ayamanyo sema na ye no. Obi e pray ni dia korom because ukowura manyo sema wi a engontabu enye wasem biem. Nipa ebre enye wasem biem. Nipa tete ni onko danda enye wasem biem. The only man say o yan say o ye hwehwe anim na de bi adane bloggers di wachi a utwitwa neoma o num kafia na otwa abre. O se sufufura na otwa abre. O se fulanku sema na approach ni say now they are train. This is exactly what is going on. There's too much fun in governance this time around. Too much fun. Too much fun. It's just to show off another day. Reality is that you said by ye Juma mo man kan and Timin Konkai. Stop the comparison. Stop it. Stop now where honor ban and koye say stop it. You are there. Check it. Because that is why yebu man be break it down. Baby o maya. Charles Bisu 20,000 Ghana cedi. Omaya bo OSP hooker for 7 years. 20,000 Ghana cedi bribery allegation. We've not come to a conclusion. Nesikakwa you investing the 20,000 up and down on the part of OSP. We're not bothered about Charles Bisu. But 20,000 bribery allegation are running for 7 years in this country. What are we doing? Why? How? Why? I don't know. You see, I am very scanty. Very scanty resources, but you wasted a lot of the money.
We wasted
a lot of the money. Obejina odona yankasa soa. Abai bae okacho bia anamu awotu in terms of sika odi akose odi clear sa odona anima. It's not different from what the MPP did. Asensu Boachi Breso. Over 400 and something million. Desilting and making sure say odona no ebeyi odona dey lie. So yesremo mo pia ye ko kakra in short tap on cheni pe no koje wo wana montuo na mutu nyina no aban call, especially this government. If you have Ghanaians at heart, if you mean your reset, then probably go back to the drawing board. Because when you raise criticisms, now they don't agree to you. Now they want to fight you. Now they want to insult you. What is this? What is this?
Normal.
And yet, a dear way abnormal. We should not accept to say normal. And then when you raise important issues, it doesn't matter how it makes the government looks. Once that issue raised is in the interest of the country called Ghana and your governance, you have to support what we are doing. But in opposition, we raised all these manner of issues. You came to us. You joined hands.
Yes.
You promised us. Say mo nyesa nyoma we aban we UNB. Now the dear Nasisa. Dear Nasisa.
Said the position as a
no.
At the time it was in opposition.
But that is where the challenge is.
Opposition.
That is where the challenge is. Because with him, the Abe say obedi nkugo no asa babeka say sansam na mo kan nyina no na no krepa nka tie ya enya wo na wontie na party antos na me ya wo ya daje ni bra wase na ma Ghana ye nyina aboka enya ma bebre wo no na nka etu ho na mo a yamfa nya amanyose yamfa nya agudie ya chi nipa so na ebo kokko ana ma ehuto nipa so a Eka sabre yenura. Anywhere be brave demolitions as a abagana ha. And here emu de one etimi sustained. Ramsar site. Next year. Obi abesi di dan.
Ye be sabe gina class.
Next year. Onyame de chair. Obi abeto aso asi di kiosk. Who raise your voice pay. Ompa ban ni ye.
Ompa ban ye.
Wo ye nipa bone. Obi akose wachi.
Otan aban. To that extent.
And if indeed so office so do manpanyi pa dia, it is high time you tell manpanyi the realities of the situation.
No,
and that is what the president suffer for. There be sometimes you can do for the bro crack in terms of briefing. Say na me anya wadum amu anya odofo bi ni obi anani da form odwene ho no odwene man no. You base almost everything you do on this paperwork. That's why Professor Mel Spencer not surprising some of the ministries. Oh, Santa no pie.
To the white Quebec so on who say wo yes Ghana for niaje.
Na say Ghana te bia dodo na no nya twom yenti. Ya funti. Yenti me hwe minister ni man na say DC ni man MC ni director general ni enka nche say there bi o ambrasem. Aha pa de wo kan ni de wo ye de. Emu o man no emu wankasa dachi ubebu ho akontati ye careful sa na montu we sa kasa we sa ne ye we sa su we. Who is there to say this?
No one.
Who is there?
Obianka.
Obiani ho. It is on mine. Yan shasian tiasia na de biye de ano. Na brofo tintin the advancements akaida. It's the same script written to Ghanaians every 4 years. It is only the actors that changes. It is a sabre na so for that's mun ba ya. Omukwa na fe cantata group no maba omukwa na fe eyi obrafo na ba eti ayasem krona no na nipekuo no na asesa asem ba ko na o de biada ye ba ni atro script no pepepe things will fall apart, the center will not hold, mere anarchy, a loose upon the natural. It will by another. Oh, things will fall apart, the center will not be holding. It's every 4 or 8 years. That's what they do to us at our own expense. At our own expense. Yes, one ema yen etimi ko to something. So mo pensem to me omo ba ene berry fish omo ba benum yensuo
ene yete ho
e ba be da ye dem omo twi kontombre ma e ka banku ma yen omo hihye ye bo akese esi ye neoma kra de ma yen eso ye neoma ni bi edi twansuo de ma yen e de na asesente ene no o sa nipa no ade na wo ko se obeye ni ye no obenya asa tumi na ese ode ade ni ye no ene ye boss pe na wo chema pai e de na asesa
ntubenka
e de na asesa e de na asesa Again,
it's so disappointing. So disappointing.
Minister Beko for the cameras visitation to all various sites are ebi omo ya kwan. No akeka nsema kese me ba me terminate we wo ye de adwuma na ma say ni say na wo ntimi nya adwuma na but still go there and see. Minister Probo ko nyina no go back and check the reality on the ground. Eti munyai infonyini bebrebe no. Munyai hwehwani mu bebrebe no. Munyai kasa bebrebe no. Anya sa ye betra ye tusu de biada akasa sao bi na aban mu nipa na gaza no o twaadwo wona wo ko twaadwo a kira aban mu nipa no na nkasa e twaadwo a kire eti why never solve your problem dia ban o de me busa why never solve your problem dia ban why never solve problem na mai
okay.
Yes, I was for me church and when I am Quaba Sonko. Edmond Ras Media so and anumere. We are a different aspect, and we are coming in for a different show. This is Ras Media. Mamunya Quab, my Monica Michel ye pa, Piaga Michel ye pa. Maybe I want to say, what's saying about Lenum? Why are the pass was here at Chiaqua now only a day? It didn't I was sure. For the thing is simple, and then Matrasia, I have only 2 things to tell you. 1, John Mahama is an incompetent president. Fatu team. And I'm so and then Accra and Edahono in Su actually Ediafa Accra and then Accra Mantamunira. Don't let anybody deceive you. Say a banfu front or buy and abanda dana na yen Juma na ma ye David. Omoka sa chire wa omoboa Ibana ba be chiro mu yie de nti omo ka sa chiro wo omo boa enyuma na wo ha wo se nko omo nya omo anye ai na me no so ene ensuo agi ye man no afa adwuma na nado egusu ye no wo Ghana man no mu a papa we ba ya wa beteminity contract ni nyina amene ubie wani ensuo to na ubie wani ti a wani bete no na sabi wo fie enam babi sansem we na maboa no na me de brɛw wo this beautiful show so ene anwumre it is asame no ni komo yefiri also we are going to talk about Masa yourself and Mugabe God yourself and Mugabe minimba bi onya asaidiri no oye adwuma wo radio XYZ yes Power FM okodi ntro edigu yewura ba omia so ama ba omia akosi no afa ne oba abonten so oba be pa achew eno so yebedi ho nkomo na ye de attach some of the ntro na enkrofo ni di ye no edi fa na Dr. Bawumia ne MPP amanyoko no ho abra na omo wa aban mu aye na me no so ema Ghana for birum feel said they were supposed to, they have to go there and what them call and vote against MPP aban enti aba be wuram na ye dikan na ye wuram akotie nsem abusianfo Amimia Sami Jesse from Hamburg Michelle ye Pastor who is even Bashintere to shut down the Zoom Lion a contract. In fact, this is something that we must to dig in and understand how come. Say contract area mo bi akorakito wetim betwem na din how we nyina ba. Pega say incoming vice president NAPO, if you forgive the stupid Mugabe, I will not vote, please. Piaga bi mo so man hene kwa Bransanti, may God bless you. I cannot read it. I'm sorry. Yentos nkuyedi. Minya bari mai. There be a catch them say leadership is not about talking. Leadership, enekasa, there's a difference between it. Ubetumi akasa, ubetumi ayedede, campaign iduru so a obia etumi ka de oyeden, de ope. Campaign iduru a de ope ubetumi aka o, ubetumi aka. Now how to maintain it, no? And no mum na yeden, asem. Tia make sa. The entire make sa nyina say. But I do say a campaign no. And nam se na yewura Mahama ne for monte niema biase. Na omonwini nkodrum pempenso bi wa ade bia na yewura na ado danko akufo ado eye ho. Ene ma me sisi ada pa eye ntino. Omo ba abonten begu se nyuma ne nyina ho fi edi betwa ntro sese bi obi awia Ghana fo sika abra na case BMP ba bia se Ghana fo yesika ayira. Omo de campaign kan se na nado atwa sika de sanitation ministry a krono sika. Omo keka nsem bebre na omo kasa nyina no na omo wude free se John Mahama ankasa ne breso in 2012 to 2016. Yenya frauding situation a enam so ema Accra enso egi Accra fa ye ema sabio ofrene den filling station mo a ejato mu ema amanfo aduonu enum ahanu aduonu everyone kwa. I'm talking about 250 people omu kwa without any reason, just because of recklessness. Na Mahama ye campaign na o keka nsem bi me video bi am pese me mo na wuntie tie.
The agenda 111 hospitals they are building, I'll continue and finish them. So that we can create more space to be able to absorb all of you when you finish school. This is
many unbearable hours later.
We gave them
You gave who?
a program.
We gave who?
We told them the things we want to do for them when we come to power. The entire Ghanaian bought into it.
Now, Busian Farmers Ramo Fancher, my mistake on the video. Hope I will find the video. There is a video whereby Yura Mahama just simply so catch the Ghana for say. So no Obabeti Ghana Kunyana. So Babeti Ghana Kunyana. The Obayane say, Zoom lion for a bayana more juma so monye. Our more juma moyane say, Obo prapra. Ye kronum said ye beya ensuo enshiri mefaye no enam se papa yi cheap politician no ye ntino ogina baabi bie na no kan se ono de oba obetwam na sa sika no omo di ne kwa omo hu de omo de ye ehu nhia sa ban ebe spend such amount of money say ye de prapra ye baller ene na asefuom na all kan sem na ne ho esere. I was informed on just a minute. Just a minute. Can't second you. Papa no kan nsem no na ne ho eye ye mu binom na ne ho ye ensere because we understand the means of sanitation. And how important sanitation is for us in our country. Because so we are a good citizen, why never be as ye pa. Now so who say Ghana might be, especially the bigger cities. A kurubinuma many a times. En so toa etumidi sabio atorencham ebiti se ensueshiri na ebu for nipa so. Na mom so te abontene na wo sa nema na hu hia na wonye obi a odwene nipa no ho. Na de obedi ena eda wutima. Ohu se aban bi te oman ni sika de ye adwuma bi a ete saa. That is actually what happened with John Mahama. Now, sabi yenyire nim say Mahama dikan ka say omo party na nkasa no omo nhia anyansafo eni nimdifo omo no mo hia mole jimifo nkwasiafo na omo ne omo ye adwuma. So Yura Mahama was doing everything knowing say ne nkrofo no begye di. What has happened now? What has happened is say the Yura Mahama yama in Suata Ponchrene, Ama Sabio, the NDC journalist in Kurapono, they are against the way that Mahama is doing. Mokayemi Kwabna Santana Miboni video at the beginning. No, Papa, we be an why doing some person be kindness Nipasuba or yet. Abraham people Tiakunya so. Papa, we can someone move through the 12 people so indirectly. He was campaigning for the NDC. But you need to ask papa you can. What you ask papa you can ye? I young one say, Obi a witness simple so I can say when you come in power, you are going to make sure say the frauding issues will never happen. Abranya and then you first time why they what the president. So we were expecting saying one of your first things. Your first plans and kaubeteki anyhow to face the frauding situation we have always been a victim to. But family when minimo and amopa mumuntino Mahama decided not to take any consideration of whatever was going on. DNC yen say Zoom Liona Onegana Maya ye Juma and fear bebre. Zoom Liona Onegana mine aye Juma and fear bebre nam so Emma Amaya Hodo Pono Ahunu na Juma pa na omo abefa ne de ne ko omukuro mu no John Mahama bedi akonya osi ono nko ade oni Zoom Lion enya Juma na mmom no Sikana o say yamfanye sanitation, yamfanyi gatam, yamfan prapra ye krum na ye krum no ma ye fe no, or de kwa akoma the district assembly for no, na omo de aye adwuma. Papa ne di sikane call ye no, as up to now, sikano ye ntimi fan koma assembly members no. Enti na me no kase Ghana ye ball aman. Ghana ye kurobia ye fi wo mu pa. Ghana ye kurobia recycle say yes sa nneema atriti sa nneema na sande aya de foforo. Na eso aba mfa so especially plastic. Ye nye biem wo man no. E na ya nkasa nso ye ho a ye didi ane ato agu fom, ye num nso ane ato fom. E na obi enye cleaning exercises. E na o man na dan baller. E na ya to nneema de agu nsuo amenam. We nyina chi no o president na ma bonten se bo nsem ma no adenti a o se o the dollar back down na minya ba ma dollar na o papa ne se o de aba down wa na ma no so nti bona ba so amenka me bono dollar na papa ne se o de aba form a eni nti ne bona ba so anase boni se yina ye no ene sa frauding problem we aba Ghana damage akoso e wo man num sa dollar to cedi rate no e betimi asolve sa problem na enkrofo omo ahwere omo adan enkrofo omo ahwere omo barbering shop enkrofo omo ye hairdressers omo ahwere omo hairdressing shop enkrofo omo ye tobi tonya bidi a omo ahwere omo japade na omo niam omo ton nyina eye omo capital enkrofo mo akwakwaje bosiande ye adwuma aye na ensuo atene e de won niam ne nyina akoro ni bisa Ghana for say dollar to cedi rate na eda 11.34 no e betumi ama amanfo won niam a mo yira ye ne amonsa asan akana we eye da bi no na unim de ya wo asen we mu pa one say in every country where there is a government, where there is a leader, where there is a competent leader, a true leader, where a disaster, where there is a true leader, and when these things happen, the government deploy emergency units, finding a way to go across all the affected areas to rescue people. Ye rescue amanfo via ye sampe baby mo kotena na aban a support won because this is a disaster. Miya disaster we ya esi ye ai nam so ma nipa ahwere ne nkwa one who say Ghana aban ati committee bi anase tax force bi a omode kro enam nsuo num ebo amanfo ana da bi the one up to now are part of the attempt of the government to solve this problem and it's a John Mahama tiaru prem enam wiem na ohwe corona afrade na o sentwa video tiemi yepa asem we see ye the only action I want who from the president and say what could you simply say or yet Thanksgiving one ne yere ne mama jeno pokwa jman omugina ho esa eto nyom eyi nyankopon aye se wafa Ghana fo japade unim dia yawo in all of this NDC are buying the incompetent leader John Dramani Mahama up to now omuntumi relocate enkrofo na omoye affected no to a place say e hadie emuson monkwana monkotena ho enkopem say nsuo no beti akọ tiemi yepa a very 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 sensitive topic ena nemeye say nsuo atona oman the capital of your country nsuo are devastating everywhere nsuo asay kuro no na amanfo nya baabi na oman panyino ti kuro no na wuntumi nya alternative house for them just to chalk there for meanwhile wuntumi nya solution enye normal saade we enye normal se mo be kaya bra yesi akosombo dam ye nyuma o se nso na tofa so se de na si ye o aye ko bie nso a etwi fa ba bia na okujeto abra kwa oye MP wo ho. Look at the response na nado danko akufuado edito from emaye di America call voter region ho area ho eko solve problems of the people. Minim se munyina mokai how na nado make sure say the people will not be left alone. Quick response, immediate effect, and also says Osman soldier for a more call eco support to Kroma for no a more motor. In all this, in all one another did during that time, still the NDC criticized and another say, Omu voter for into another down called Kufado. Enya vote to free ho MPP for enya vote to free vote antino omoja voter for ama voter for you. But I say mo okay pa. Okay say samoro kuja tabra kwa na onam krom. Na oye de no kan sem kese digu na nado danko akufo ado so. Adanya o se enam se ba bia asem ni si ye no se bi voter for na ti ho ntino na nado ayi nani. Abra na nado asoma soja for mo wo from our moya juma. Yes, answer per babidi amam for kogui and copim say, Sabio, and so no ye day, a so a tea, and almost sanko mukrum. And what are you saying? What are you saying? A man for money, a man for money in your babinta, a man for money in your babicron or 1 word be an eddy. Your president is sitting down as a child without doing nothing that will help the people to what? To free themselves, to release themselves of little bit of stress. And onam, and also sabone, and onam noti premu, and oye de oye. Ninyina ne say because when Mahama was coming in power, he told Ghanaians to say, when he comes, he is going to cancel the contract of Zoom Lion. Now I dream a woman. I dream bang and a woman. Na senka watcha mukura mpona, find an alternative way to clean the cities. Because they now the opposition now cancel and now do mismanagement. And a man so far man for no. That is the same way that we are going to tell you. I didn't cancel the Zoom Lion contractor. One pay an alternative way to prevent this disaster. Now, people should not think that this is the first time Mahama is in power. So Dr. Bawumia Breso, and Assembly say, see, yeah, and we can give him even a benefit of the doubt. But you know, Mahama, dear, to me, man, the benefit of a doubt because in his presidency, you know, the same thing happened and it caused death of our people. So he was supposed to be very, 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 very alert on this issue. But then it is coming worse. Now the video we here and the NDC journalist for you na kura Mahama or more can be children. Yenti na jan to an answer moka. Na yasamra back to studio.
But okay, no can is principle. Nkokon kete principle 24-hour economy principle sa ya be yo me say 400 prophets no bia be catch say wo ya de. But here makaya kaso ko bewu baby awo kono obeto amene mu Ghana for na ma 1.7 million no eso tio President John Dramani Mahama Ghana for na eto aba ma wo no eso ti na emre bi me catch MPP for 2018 time me hu say MPP problem obaso me kan 2018 etso mu de besi 2020. I'm telling you President Joma, what the market on the wall, me say 2028, city now moji bebribino, esobetse NDC, esobetse, na so tia, chesa wa aban, kofom, ene, se ye tia si kroma, omo meka o ya ade ne nasefo no but unnim de nkrofo kan mu nkan kyerɛw yenka sɛ wonya ade ye wonyoma bebre ho a waya ade cement ne iron rods ne nyoma bi wo ho a but the same thing na ne expert say ni kwan say esi no enu bi na esi na nkrofo ne ka kyerɛ sɛ waya ade omo ne omekanfo o obia be ka sɛ waya ade because obia per position and until you do level somebody or yet technocrat, somebody or yet professional, somebody a medical doctor, not somebody or no on your medical doctor because of a minister or your minister or who put a kutie or who put a say a camfuno. A catcher is who jaimano, ni nim diamuno, no one casam fosone. That's a true level. Even yen a cratch for Mako school. Muntimin can't politicians and say, Omuninya Sanche. Until we assume said the moment that somebody becomes a president, the obeke biya ye. Ye assume say the moment obeye minister no na ono minister sebi bi okra na mo na mo kire na de no na ono be kire say onim de kire just because when you have position no. There be o. Tina me say ye kamfu di ano ne ye kamfu achacha. President John Mahama, me si utrimu ye ode. But do the microphone kamfu sa. Ma utrimu nya ode sa. Microphone etwa won hye ye ka bibia no mu didi atem sa. No problem. Dey be maka che say one kan me nso abekan masere. And MPP for what can say afi no mo hope. O kan na nanka etiewa. Adenti na wo say dru ho na mo kasa na nanka etiewa. Onkrofo tu galamsey. Wonya we. President John Mahama, wonya we so onkrofo tu galamsey. Wonya we say ministries ni bi o hwan nyoma bi o ho mu ye ni sedam koe. Onte say adwumani system ni mu. Onte President John Mahama, onte say adwumani system ni mu. The 24-hour economy ni say ekosen no. Onte dia no aka fa ho efa flooding no. Dia no aka. Who minister for works and housing. What that's what it was. A dear bear pan waya uchianika. But all these people are there. Unka no could chow him. Me so your president, you be duodium. Now a strike na reality ni satina. Udi ayane san after 2026. President John Dramani my papa. Udi ayane say na after 2026. Ghana fonya wie pa. Ni 2027 now. Obeka say Ghana for ne tomorrow no. With the market on the one me say. Would you say and that praise a pray Mahama is a hope. Mahama ya juma mafuso just ninguswan kamfu. Mancrofonia sa wu ya juma mesi ma year 2026. Na year 2026 pa obeti because abreno na ye politics. Sa abreno no be power too. Sa abreno na se edun ketia ni Julius ne Professor Alabimu ni nebusiafo. O ma hyase na no obonsa afei o tumi na hyase chekofom. Na chekofom a afena na nkofo bebusa say adwuma na aka so de be ma ye wehe enyoma na wo ka sa wo be ye no e wehe over 14.1 million people nkofo mabu na omunya adwuma anye no o ye den. What is happening? Adenchi na asem mutena akonya no so na mu rafu mu hoyi ede nkwa na wo akonya mo nka nkyena yen sa akonya no eye beyi akonya mo nka nkyena ne mbo akonya foforo mamo because me hu we are president unto aduane se wo sori anopa na say sumye na wo da so no enye papa ye be dane ama ye be sesa ama wo atade a wo hye unto.
Yes, enti se utia we o NDC ni kese pa enim no. But look at the incompetence of John Mahama, how it can transform people. Timi yepa. Ya me mame Vivian Kuma me akwaba. Papa wo ye o kasa yi. Or a top NDC communicator, nationally known and recognized as NDC top communicator on radio and TV stations. Ojo said, "Dear now, a pem no ama ene all kind of okay because the person that he campaigned for, the promises that the person gave, and for which enam so man koye campaign no." The person is not delivering. But yes, you are my name. Motu na moyi moni. Ajuma ya muntu min kreti bi mayen. ya ankasa so ye bre ye tete ye modwam ye tete ye na ye mawrem e de kobie ye adwuma na eno so matena ho because of mismanagement nti na ensu ato ahira for corona ma ya hwede ye niam nyina beto ka ye se dollar kofom o ka ye se cedi to dollar e wo fom enti abana bo ne ho modere. My brother, my sister, the ekoso wo man no me say negligence so negligence and now do danko Akufo-Addo breso there was a flood, but the flood was not like this because the gutters were being cleaned. The gutters were clean. But because say eba ne say na Mahama bedi akonya yensu ye gutters ni nyina no aye dirty because instead of him to leave the contract to Nkrofo a omonim de wo sa adwuma num no John Mahama paja contract da koma ni nafofo NDC fo temiye pa John Mahama paja contract da koma ni nafofo NDC fo se omonche oman ni sika no eni for free enti ya gisika no but adwuma no ye mfa nye emma oman no emfa ne ntoma pamfra ena yete ho na me pese won san tie video we biom tie video we so ka ho tie
buofo na no pai say anopa me be metie news no ye say Friday ye na ye holiday ye dey Friday no ye ye be ye ne say ye kobom paye ne de ade Nyankopon ase say Ghana Republic. Are we serious? Flood in a kum. Flood won't mean so ye President John Mahama. Ye kwaye de kobo Friday mpaibo. Akoye de. Ye kobo mpaye ye de. Ade Nyankopon ase se waye de. Se Nyankopon ene me so be flood in my. There be o. Mante se ye ka se ye kosia Friday. Ni adwene e kwaye e befo so asolve flooding no. E kwaye be fo so asolve galamsey no. E kwaye be fo so ama yanka se ye di ye ho so. Ni aye aduane ni enkra aduane. Mente sa de no. De ye kotra ne se ye kobo mpaye ye kobodwa 16 regions ni nyina ye kwede a ye kwede Nyankopon ase ye kwede Nyankopon ase say Ghana Republic 1960. Are we serious? Just say ye serious pa. Hey, are we okay? Are we really okay? Yeah, just say okay. President John Mahama ukromu inkrana sabi papa wote no ensu ayiri fa wo ma ye kobon paye Friday akopeden ye kobon paye se Nyankopon na emeboaye ye akwadwofo ama bibia ye de hye mpaibo wan ka se Friday ye nkodwene ekwan a ye be fo so solve flooding ye be solve dum so ye be solve unemployment adwuma eni ho ye be solve apomuden ensema obetimi ko hospital no akowu ye nka se Friday ye kobon paye e ko waste your time na ka se sa na Nyankopon ye ne nyoma na ye akwadwofo ama ye bibia ne de se Nyankopon pe hypocrites from paibu de bia maka mimi o Kristo mi o gidini ba ye ha Nyankopon dodo na no me be ka kire wo ha se nyoma ni bi wo hanyem paibo me be ka kire o enye the Lord's prayer ne hallelujah ne solve issues me be ka kire o Bishop to Dobesma Kasema o kaye no a de Zambia any Ghana twa mfato ho no o say success is not in the revelation stage a decision making to be successful so obedi year enye mpaibo obedi year ensi ye obebo wa adwene pa Nyankopon de ma oni se fa ye adwuma Nyankopon dum ye nyansa odi onipa share garden of Eden ni mu wan kan kire Adam ni Eve say mo sori anopa mo mampa ye mame da bi o se wo sori anopa ye asase na media ma no fa bi ka ho
na say bi Nkrofo mo ye adwuma de ma Yewura Mahama no they have regretted even working and campaigning for Yewura Mahama adentia enim guase no doso we say nipa dodo we ya wu oman mu yi ndema amanfo ahwede Now, as a sitting president and the only leader of the country as of today, utuminya adaje kotra baabi se okwa akoye Thanksgiving. Emfansi ho ekogina amamfo ne enipa nanim esa sabone edibu pa ono yere eno vice president. Abra wa ankasa nkromufo. Abra wa ankasa wo ma. Abra nkrofo na omoto abama omobeye president no omu twa adwajo. What kind of president are you? What kind of useless president can you be that? What kind of insensitive president can you be that? And I'm sorry, yeah, bompaye, wa bompaye, but dear na assistant wa brabom. Yes, got Tesla na yama. A man for Nisi dances, but Benny Kwan say, you are the leader of the country. Do something. A young piebo na okobo. Okobon piebo de achiramai. Actually, Yankopon so your day. Yankopon the assassin was Sunday adrenaline ma. Se fa ball ho ban no. A one far more ho ban no. Okwa Yankopon so on your day biem. Mahama, I didn't tell you when masisa. You are president of a big country, of highly respected country in this world. You cannot denigrate the image and the flag of Ghana with this acts. Mami Esther Keba di mami mwakwaba. Yewura Mahama se unima, you are a leader of a big country called Ghana, highly respected country. You cannot denigrate the image of the country through these actions. Why? What is wrong with your mind? Ade ya me kobom paye akoda Nyankopon ase. Say nsu ahira fa ukuro. Say amanfo ahwere wo niema. Say amanfo binum awu. Na da ben na Yewura Mahama. Ube fre enkrofo enimdefo engineers. Abua wanano. I decided to have a big plan of drainage system for the greater Accra to avoid distance. That ben obesa meeting no. And the free. Now, all the young to us in the Yankoyanim. Abuso Amaso so ban wash a video no I like it. Not ye koyanim. Me say won't a video way. Not tea in ye pa. Asensubuachi is coming to review. Temiye. Asensubuachi is coming to review what led to the flood. Dear Nenam Sema ensuo ajiga na mayafa. Would a video way? Mahama is the most useless leader that Ghana has ever had. And I'm saying it again. That man is the most reckless, the most useless. I don't know how to compare whom I should compare him with. He has stopped every job. Juma bi ane koso ane ya about sanitation. Ane ewo ideas and plans to stop, to mitigate flooding. Because Juma no, untumi nyane just once na when nyane solution. You need to be consistent in a time. Papa we buy, you know, for 1.5 months, no, 1.5 years, no, a Juma ewo hono, wa jani nyina gum, and our mind so far. Listen to Asensubuachi.
And among for the suburb NPP aban say mo penso mo di dwumadie bi baye yes adwumadie among for bi kura ka say emfaso bi antimi amba garage project yen hya sem firi ho no mo ya sa adwumadie mo de baye se beboa ma enkra ha no mo yetimi atitimo na gates awodo asisi no yebetuma yini ni na mo across 17mm ds no a na ewo ho no mo no among for bi ka say mo penso sa garage project na mo de baye no asisikadie bi koso a entimi amfamfa so de ambro man Ghana emu no kure pa ne se
yo deli kan ma me fa enchia kese ma watiefo nyina em se obi timi ka se sikadie bamu na ebe won akakra because aban we buy no omo ya confirm me no anesa omba ma chichi nkofo we bre investigation be bre na ekoso minti se investigation bi aba ewo garage project and I said me for my minister friend me say me meyi mano garage project na World Bank sika obi no betime de
okay
this be a wajimi ɛno koraa no sika ne ma nsɛm no wakɔdi ɛnsi
na sikadeɛ bi ankɔ so hɔ no mo
na bi
na ba ne sɛ na saa
the thing is say World Bank saa Gary project no na ne kufu adoban ene kofa bae abra June 3rd 2015 disaster ne bae say a report be bre e bae na report ne bae no aban ye said there be yempe enye feasibility studies ni hu kwan asa flooding ne bae now mo ye no hu said there be there are several factors that contribute to the flooding. That particular period, no, okay, ensure Accra, no, in terms of land use planning, we are saying say it's a low-lying area, just a form power.
Yeah,
and I all mountains, so. We have Blue Mountains, so twice.
Yeah,
it is so tall. Sometimes you can so enter Accra, and so to me flood it. Accra.
Yeah,
if you say a tall mountains, now sunny
down.
Ain't he? Aside June 3rd, no. What happened is so tall Accra, no, be so tall or mountains, and a deep speed, a bar Accra, and air bounce so no. Not waves never was seen, no so no. It's in the boom, no. And this June 3rd disaster nearby, and it's a catch fire. Circle area, Nekofa Sansi Ninabai. And you know, World Bank project now, World Bank 4 years on the funding, only feasibility studies. No, who said there are certain drainage infrastructure you have to put in place, and they be reduced to flooding. Not Accra, you know, but the Odo Basin. Odo Basin, there are several basins, and I cry your donor, your other colleague on the account. So, many interventions, and na about implementing. Now, what about Sikano? Answer na Sikabe you be releasing. Not to say, processes, bureaucracy. Now, Abraham Warno, you went through a lot of processes. Designs, feasibility. Na afedi say contrast for some of the drains.
Okay.
Achimota Abofu, for instance, me yesterday.
That storm drain kese no.
Exactly.
No.
Exactly.
Okay.
Kwashiman. So yesterday storm drains as part of the project. Baby a friend or Buzia Highway.
Okay.
Yeah. And several others. No, yesterday under the project, under the Gary project. But about we buy, so extra.
Now we buy in the Gary project, we're halty and answer.
Yeah, how to. It's been installed. And now there's one critical intervention under the Gary project, and the most important.
Okay.
And it's a atomic junction. Atomic area, it's to say you build what we call detention ponds. So detention ponds, no. So it's only free mountains nearby. The pond no ebe receive water no nyina.
So I say it's only free. Fan say ayi mensa ho no ne ade eba no. Sa atopic ho no sa pump no be gi nsuo ni.
Be gi nsuo ni nyina. Sa. And it's nsuo ni jaya. The engineering system no is such a way say ebe release nsuo ni kakra. Ansana abedun cry akogu ponim. So as abra MPP fra bem no na ye engineering designs I complete na ye procurement I say ye award contract no ma contractors and fofi antoata and MPP aban free.
Is this the one that the Gary project no?
Yeah, Gary project is not making. Say no obu some question. As at now omo buy ye ko 2 years ni omunyi bibia wo ho da ho sasma na o kan de meken o ma panyin ekoye inspection o be kan problem ni nyina we ye nyina nim de ese ye o kan say ese detention pond. The process has started, procurement has started, designs had been completed on by Astolo, and na menya report to be from another FM station say World Bank cry a comment say abide by you must stop so me just when you say and I spoke in
ministry no
exactly
yeah.
And I spoke in parliament about it. I didn't have that information and come to back home until you be a dear dance say or may decide say or money home and tina a can be and as a flooding challenge a buy and you know and yes you can be a deliberate attempt to stop the works that has started. So what I say, and only Gary project.
Under your leadership, na level of completion. What's that Gary project? No what you do percentage wise, no what to be saying.
Oh, percentage mean to me because me free ministry hall. I think at the beginning of 2024 will be by a bit twice. But I mean, I will not be able to mention in terms of percentage, but the key thing is that na construction na construction I started on buy na but na esenka yetimi discuss flood neighbor so I don't think say it's an issue because Ghana will be any man panyini metis or kasa or kind didn't ma flood neighbor so what I say in PMP you know yeah na you drainage infrastructure no any robust because many of our drains now were older than a check. It be a week. It means to say we call it undersized as a kitwa. Of time no. Nana could afford to buy. And yes and no. You have to invest in drainage infrastructure. Until you build a lot of drains. Ewa Accra, Kumasi, Takrade, Tamale. You teach you Accra in the Kumasi. Na drains no. Won't mean finish all the drains at the time. I reported in cabinet, for instance, that in 2018, the government committed 200 million towards flood control. Need do now call drain construction and at the sorting and drain rehabilitation. 2020, the government provided additional 250 million. Exactly.
Okay.
And as part of the drains, so they say what we call the silting every year. Be a Nisoni Betua, the Tiga Termina de Ade. I feel it's a BNC.
Okay.
I feel it be BNC. In fact, the local government minister, because once the last MP time, now there's a Zoom lion. Not on exactly. I buy. I must say there be any on your Jumani, and on my Jeffrey Muslim. I'm Jeffrey Company in some of the Akoma Assembly. Local government minister about 2 weeks ago reported assembly no any Jumano. Even though this kind of more.
It undermine what you are no na.
It's undermine the work we are doing as a country because say what the contract? I don't have a problem if government of the day thinks say Zoom Lion or say the contract if you know. But there has to be an alternative plan.
Okay.
So what I say, and they failed to provide that alternative plan. Until I'm got a achoku. I saw president say or try so because in soon na todo duntina debi. So they thought be I didn't see a 10 or also na major flooding disaster.
Na say a one was say the working man penny as an appen to be ano sa flooding near Diano Taisipa dear potty and a cost is it because it be a wooning Diano or whatever solve such challenge in New Hormone and as a woman need the right people are what with me
it's all about the commitments. And I may catch you say, yeah, or no, a fibia, no, apart from new drain construction, you know, and rehabilitation of weak drains, no. Now, you said the Sikako share the sorting, the Tigates in the moon. And now waste collections, and there was a plan for waste collection. Now we don't have a plan. There was an existing arrangement with a company called Zoom Lion. That's not my issue. But what Jeff from somebody so make an alternative arrangement. We have some of the district assembly, but according to minister, no, or say assembly is need to mean. So what are you doing? The government job is not to complain. Government's job is to take action.
Yeah.
So the bear my team so I believe that they have failed in that regard.
From where you sit, you know, dear Potty na you bet me a year, we will find a lasting solution to sa in Suiria, a Irina, a farmer. For instance, I feel the crumple there, wo hwe impact re nya ye no a eso pa
Yeah.
de na yebetimi aye a yebetimi aso anokra.
Well, I saw no crowd there be a bed. But a bit me at so.
Okay.
Oh, so in flood management, yeah, as I can say, you reduce the risks. Exactly. And as I say, guso
and se me we wutie video ya papa we all kan ye ya. Papa ye otu o kasai. Onye obi a say obi a watena office pay. Ma me fan check say ma me we as a kuranche. Me chia o ye pa. Onye obi akwa oye obi a wa manage this issue of frauding ewo greater Accra pen. And o ka kire yen say the government stood up to do some interventions na nka entumi solve problem no forever. But in Kanya way no, your friend be adapting. The impact of frauding in the country so. Yes, that could ji sikawa manone de baye. Eye juma was say ye feasibility studies. Ye we kwan be fa so. Na ye tumi settle near down na solve problem no. Aban we baye no odigidi. Say juma no we jaya to ho. Ene sika no odi one ne nkrofo mo achi sika na omudi enti se wotena ho chi sika ne di na one spend the money to do the right thing na ensuo echi yenwie na obetena se wo ayi aluprem na oye wanim te se de asem no ye wo mobo a masa you are not talking with the nkura wo yen nkura se wo ba be ye wanim ye fe ne se okra esuade a kire yen na yenye sympathy di amount. We don't have that time. You are not a child. It is not your first time being a president. Obreso in the Ghana for nya torenchema mu edure binsi da. Nkanya hwe, yese kwasia onim dokona abene no, de ne toahye onim. Etika sema yese di obi nso asonson owo aka ne pen, ohun sonson a na osuro. Entinka obi asem bi se yato da. Na waba na abanya owo nimde wonyansa hye ase so oye project a ebe solve sa problem na emma sa to renchem no binto NCBM ewa abra wudi president. What makes you decided to cancel the contract? Why? One, omo pragatesim. What your contract? Two, problems, solutions are near the solve sa problems na here construction of drainage system. Obaye weje go. Sikana World Bank the buy no abeto abonte sikana gu ho atofo so say on release emo mfa nya adwuma oman na nkasa sika nso ye de ma assemblies no so mfa nya adwuma no assemblies no omoni competence to manage the waste and to manage the drainage system because a professional job enye kwase ampanyi bia na betumi atena se design how to drain the falling water. I just saw him there. Now, me cancel and my camera be see ankasa yeso. Say yes, you pay the hole. Yes, you pay the hole. A hole no, and won't soon so near. Yankasa Mahama is a hope. Hope na yes, you no. As soon so and atia gu yeso ye hu de yen kan. To the stand they say, John Mahama as a president, he based on some undocumented allegations. And Mahama, it's not so to take a decision. Listen to one of the NDC communicators. Listen to what he's saying.
Yeah, Ghana ni biye huwa. Na watiem, ala jobola na ne gunsunim. Ne fi hefa na eba. Ensuo ye to ye bakayehu woko agbobolosi ne mpatemu a kwahwe the level of filth efia eta agbobolosi anopa yu be ko hwakoto vegetables akodi wo fie. Are we safe in this country? Na oman we mame oman we ya yetimi institution be no wo oman we mo so de oye na dwuma ye 100%. Aban adwuma eko ben ya company ben aban corporation ben na or what this country Was you know the juma to perfection? What you need to understand is that a human error, any human institution be no mistakes be then. All that you need to do, and it's all be correct. Any akoyenim. Yeni yedi zoom line what to tell crew emuno. 30 other African countries abefadeko. And then we call Nigeria, the whole city of Lagos. One more sanitation same a zoom line on there. Go and read on the internet. Lagos kesiye na eda ho no. And the kesiye kra ni Ghana kra ya yepen. A zoom line na manage bibia. Esesa wo mumra. Ghana company. President Kufuor Boaye in 2006 ma zoom lion buy. Ya said that say you zoom lion. Ya you okay there. Yan cannot crunch please, respectfully. It doesn't make sense anymore. And do not F4 frame and say, look, what about the area mu tema? Said you ensure the ball a pa baby gu. There is a bridge. I want him patch said ye a fear baby gu honomono. Or no crown or your radio manager, he cannot reason say, a feeling in any free for neighbor. And to young train say you been your national health emergency. And some who say zoom lions one
emergency in Eba.
Emergency in Eba, cholera in Eba.
Yes.
Are we okay? As a people, yeah, you okay there?
After floods, on the next national disaster Eba, a disease outbreak, either cholera and also typhoid. Because the way you may see kono. Vegetables na nsuo efa no maame na awakọ boka edi ne dwete na akọ fa nneoma edi aba no on share ma flood ne fa nkosa nti so almost start horo ho mo beton enwa no mo bone washing o agogosi o ya horo cabbage ho ya horo carrot ho ya beton aman ye bedi
carrot da nsuo fa no
ya horo aman
ye beton egu atecheni mu no nsuo e ba nyina sebe agyanan ne ade nyina ye den efra
ya bone washing
toilet ne ade nyina afra nso mo wie no dwomfo ma no wo mo suro so mbebo kaju wo mo hohoro ne ma no mo wasan akotɔ abedi
odi ni sika nyina na akɔfa nneoma ndi aba obenden.
Let's get serious a bit in this country. Na yenya isa nneema na we do in this country to bring our own selves down as a people.
Me ka kire mo da bi se abanwe ebedi akonwa no. The obaye say he's coming to destroy Ghanaians or mo asetre omo ho. Apart from Onunimia Ibrahim Mahama. Enti Jo Mahama head say yes papa be a friend Azuri Munio say first so a journalist. Ekotwere say Zoom Lion ye kromfo. Jo Mahama say when you evidence say Zoom Lion le kromfo enti on man in adwuma organa biem. And then you this NDC is a party that hates individual Ghanaians that have been able to build themselves. Enti yengu Zoom Lion, yemo wana juma mo won. Because Yewura J. Kufuor MPP, first president of the Republic, Betna Kunyasono. Odwene who say you cannot develop a country without this issue of sanitation being solved well. Into a share that share. Zumla Yowura no achi eboni kuntupa maninya sika at the building na ho esha ase de yajuma magana mai. But the NDC that hate Ghanaians to own something, now that they have come in power, they have decided to shut it down. Adentia or ye Ghana ni na ho atono besen ko ye broni dia nkombeti ase manaye. Enene blame nobody but only Mahama that needs to be blamed. Yenti MPP communicate away so na se mo work aba.
Hussein up to ye. Now with all honesty, Kwajo ye leader Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia. Amayati say situation na ye womu sisia ni disaster ekoso wo mamu ha no with regards to flooding no ma ye mfanya amanyosem yenyi amanyosem mfrim na ye tackle issue no na ye nhwe kwaya ye befa so a ye nyina ye beboa Area John Dramani Mahama na wetimi ateki pragmatic steps a ye beboa ma Ghana for ahoyehia ye komu no ye betimi ye ho afrim Kwadwo ye kase ye de ye politics a ewura John Dramani Mahama ye be kan nsɛm akɛse a ɔka wɔ mamu hanom ɛno ntimi nye solution ne maye ɛno no ntimi maye nsi atorenchem na ato ye na ɛno ntimi me nsi ho kwai ntu na ye feeling so sad say abra ade ne si ye mampani ebeba abekwa akotena helicopter mu no de anante baabi a atoyerenchem na to ye no ebasa Ghana fo no bebire fi say o mampani pese o twe ne ho free Ghana fo ho because at least nante fam feel the way Ghana fo nso feel no ye bebo ho by you are the number one, the first gentleman of the land, no doubt about it. With security very paramount, but at least nante fam Magana Fonsu who say you are with them issue na abano who are soliti or whom free or but as to say president in a better wiem na onante na washe areas I don't think say a idea to me as Benjamin Asaria may communicator for the New Patriotic Party amanyuko no me who say antwaye on fafem on Ghana for nkasa I'm sure say president will positioner Kawon concurrente have look cut say or the befer areas are yenya issues or no only a be check problem now only a be nantini
maybe he was looking at the bigger picture of what we are seeing, the problems, the fair view of what is really happening to the country now. Sebi or Timuno.
In Nikwase issue nisi ansa no wakwa kunya the fair picture of the situation because already who promise Ghana for Eniema would be good na kwem say nyame ya dom na se to abama na obedi o man no so with regards to flooding. Oh my yet yase. So Ghana for expect say eniema na yewura president e de to ye anim a ye gyan ne mugidie to abama no o ye ho adwuma. Se wo ye ho adwuma bebu ho akonta kire ye say me ka say mama makwanya na me ba engineering solution a problem e wo mamu ha ye be hwe kwaya ye be fa so a ye be solve nti me ba ye no anamon ba ko mienu miensa a me de agu kwam a ye the engineering sector of areas a yenya frade na enhyehyɛ ya me de gu akwam ni Ghana for bete wase ne ehu se wa start nti ye gina ye bo wachi dom se to aso na ye adwuma osa ka kire se proper waste management wode beba ebeboa ama ye gates ya choku ni ande no yade a ye ba bedi hu dwuma ye be clear sa waste system ni nyina fi ye street num kwadwo me ne wo ka say wudi adanse wo ko cycle ha ya ewura na eme ne ye na che say waste management system na ye wura president kan ho asem say eno ye one of the solution oba obeba be tackle no akwa akoduru sei eno na Ghana for petie ne ye hu so ye wura president anamone promise na o promise ye no o koso nti ye mo na chi dom ne enhye no say yewura ye hu se wo ye to aso na ye ne more because flooding is here any NDC any MPP ye nyina ye affected but we don't expect the president to be in the air now we share situation no say eno no person woko no okonya the fair view of the situation and problem you see kwadwo me problem wa me work kese ne say president no what the asudie kese akwa to sector minister no so a ni dwumadie na akwa ye kese because oba ye wabe collapse sanitation ministry and what this sanitation ministry no akwashe local government and was the chieftaincy asa akwashe local government enti yewura Ahmed Ibrahim ono nko ano or manage 3 sectors and the sanitation sector na very very key, very sensitive. So what collapse kurana man ni focus no enko sanitation no more na yenhu enhyehyya wodi agu fam because kwadwo me sure say president no onya brief information about ensuo dodo a eba beto this year yentimi nka say president no Ghana Meteorological
agency or
omo hwe we no so no omo emaye nya information ansa na nsuo ne beto because me no ka say every day bia omo update ye with the magnitude nsuo no ne kasie mu a beto no omo ka ni nyina a kire so why is it that issue na happy area no and na president ema ye hu say o pese onya the fair view nti wonam wiem and na wo hwe kwaya ye be fa so a ye be solve problem na and ye no
yes in fact many way adwene ye pa because as a president there you have your information concerning your country, your territory in every aspect. A real bebo, ensure better, and frame bebo, everything you are being given. So why should you have to sit down there and wait for the problem to come before you have to fly on in the air to say me kwa how the flooding has been. Now ultra video so ka home. Whom are you feeling for? Ultra video they are come why? Huh? You are somebody po. Now now among force gusu bi sansem bi say na the ekosu nyina ye maami Jane opoku na Ajimai, the ghost vice president or Wahefa. Among what be so people are asking say into the sitting vice president oye oba and normally in Kalmadi you say omo abadaye omo ahumobro sama meno or Wahefa. Friday situation yehu no da yehu no na ote baby one jo Mahama omo to nyom ededa nyankopon ase adomaba fise owo question kase di bisa maame no yenkonkonko tie question owo di bisa maame no
ye maame sura no efira kaba no de ahye t-shirt no akofa wi bi asiso yenhuna dwuma a akina ye maame oni o vice president oni why bit media aka no schools ahodo me brebusa say who is the vice president of Sibawomia thought as yes no nemu na de me ya ne se me maame nkyere so your batan esubrani atome nipa wuo ni ade enka odi akura de odo na de da kroka e ka fofo katu amerika braho enka na no tudu de nkatu amerika ko ho me maame nko da na ne sen abatan ye no ene sen anyway dunia mame ma yemia no mu a ato irenchem ato wo mo no yako ade hadin ejapade asei pateno kra de se japade asei na se nkwa ho de a yeso won kwa na wade na emom no arehusem pa kese ni se arehusem kese ya ewo mu ni se enipa wu enra interior minister list kwa unyaye nipa wu nya de ketwa adan ya seye nya de ketwa batano kra de wo nkwa na wade so ti ase nti kanu kra de nka esipai but emo ya se niema ekoso nyina mu no esubrani enipa wu kasa seye sese me wusere besi aka krofo nyuma mai bia ko bobesia na kra mu dio mu dwa obi warehouse na bu na ni broni ba ko wosu mi mu se broni lebanese we bi tema owu ani na ma wu ni se briti broni a wosu twi binia emoja sotiasi emoja papa emema wo nyina yakọ wema o nyina yakọ ensam no a ye kanisa no ento wo a na ne fare bai ni nyina no enisen meto aso no ye raba omia nyame nhyira no oye nyansani oye nimdifo sade no opieye na okọ hwehwa amanfo no nasemari tudwane se o man asem mona amanyesem no nto honom na yempe ne poma sibre mama nyiri se ba omia mebrebo na chiriba mienu ene ba omia ya no ne oso ni inside no school hwe nyansasam a wachiriba otoso mienu ka na hwe mra wo mama oba opposition and some would wa o kaye Ghana for the difference is clear. Baumia and John Dramani mama, the difference is clear. So I say na the Kaminia mama is not a proactive leader. When you're strategic leader, when you're Badaye and the vice president na, and so is say no bosome Emma. Bosome Emmo.
In fact, early this year, and Ghana met you for yes, instead of the traffic, you know.
And among true Ben Wabo, Yan Shasian free honum. Yaraba, we respect him so much. Yami Chano, Rebecca and Wakano. Now, so dear Jakwa in Yauka. Ramama Kokoboy, and among true Ben Wotuye. He's not a proactive leader. Menkate ya matricity bina, and a pay Namish President Kufo. the State of the Nation Address 2008 no Obekro no Okansembi Kata we the treasure of wisdom for effective public speaking about 50,000 philosophical quotes na President Kofomiana compile never maybe or say the mark of the successful leader is what to do with the will that one finds. Or can you for papa or young couldn't be for any say, the any Sabbath from Diano with me the Yadipa. Tiania Gordon Brown Sosukai, where President Kofokan February 14, 2008, the last State of the Nation address. Now, a concise Gordon Brown's statement was saying, leadership is tested not by what happens in the best of time, but what happens when things are difficult. I can hear panel, and only say, Emre moya deno utimi adina, nenye mra odi ye soguano. And so can me no bomo na tum say mama de we accidental leader. We return ko odokoto. Papa unya opportunity say 2015. ABC da yes 1960 in Sotoy, 1968 in Sotoy, 1995 and the year in Sotoy rolling time. But any pen except 2015 a year 3rd June. And to go fie no now so sebi openi otonebo. One to book can some but answer metro aso no. Me din kasa who go be by. Look, yera mama okadokodoka sema semi akreka ye no. Ephesians 5:7 and 6. And says here Ginidi. Emra Professor Miss Wuyeno. Kata we kutamiye. Critical policy actions of the John Dramani Mahama administration, September to December 2012. Here sanitation near Okafa on. Until they are not going opportunity, sanitation, solid waste, liquid waste, environmental sanitation and hygiene have been linked to water supply, both at the urban and rural areas. Yet the science and practice of sanitation is not necessarily associated with water supply. Okinkaya di besi sua eyirifa. Wonya medi president no krawo. Okan asase we say. Kata we mu kra no. Ena mama sabe shebo Professor Miss Wu ya amanfo ya hu na kiresi ye buniko mu no ena obeka oye kata we say that mechanism should be put in place for the investigation of the death of persons who die in our head post under suspicious circumstances are addressed. Also obi obewu hospital a emu DDR no Professor Miss Wu ya no he came up to that afa ko wi ase no hwe oye hu adwuma fine. Kata we nsusu kutami compilations of onwani nsem. Okay. Nasemba kwa okaye enietiefo ntienie pa. We say VIP appeals to ex-presidents to share experiences. September 20th, 2011. Tamoye Vice President. We say Vice President John Dramani Mahama on Tuesday appealed to past African leaders to share their political experiences and expertise with sitting president. Yamusa say 8 years and na Kufuado ni Rabaumia transfer no on my just a single experience, one experience. Ya 10 year ya nkontompo ya wudisem ya mamnyesem one timi anka experience. So he doesn't walk the talk. When you nipa me double so much John Dramani Mahama because nipa they are treasure because when some they say be yimanim no be okikere ni masitenya mesompa. You gave this admonition say obi your former president also to advise you. You had the opportunity to become former president. Did you advise Akufo-Addo? Did you? Must I trust you? Hey, I will do so. Me trust your mama. Minia ebeye dia mami. Here. Osanka semba kubiso so ha. Na fe mintinsim. We say Mama condemns politicization of national issues. And also on 2nd July 2015. President John Dramani Mahama yesterday expressed dissatisfaction at the over-politicization of national issues that is eating deep into the human fabric. So one mind someone that bia no said the no year about Miaka and Sase Musa Mama Yam fine Yamanyasem no. Mama Kebi. Yam Musa say Nana Kufuado Obojuma. And so you know I must say near Tigatemu near yet Jumania was sanitation ministry. And the Shankin Yame say Yanyabi be say. And so no crano in his own picture no. And you only so run the boom mining tino or come on here, Mama, and I'm a politicization of national issues. Finally, Yanka Wakasem do hanwa no so na emu odeye pa. What say? How to cry the construct rules across the country. Or say March 9th, 2015. President Mahama has revealed that government will spend $1 billion annually for the next 5 years to construct roads across the country. So they're big push, you know. So can we our 9th March 2015 now we went to me and must we trust you? And was Cybercan we had 26 March 2014. President Mahama promises superhighway between.
Yes, Abusia Utiemia, no what team ye. Mahama or you be a wound to trust no. Or then the vice president in I don't know why Ghanaians decided to vote for this woman. They have no way that nothing that they have that they can use to do anything positive for this country. They are just waste of Ghanaians' precious time. Because Vice President Trowaira, Mahama promises, Ogusu promises, Obiawaya promises, a the president. Execute your promises, not Papa Ogusu your promises. They were the kind. I can't want them no. Untumi sovu we you, but still this man keeps on promising people. And then now the end to us to the next thing, the most. But see Alan Kamipeno, see Alan Kamipeno say, I'm people from paying for one by one. NDC will do presenters or mutumi jina baby din tro. Edigu every MPP appointee subiano. I was saying an uncommon yet. What has happened? The I sing in say Napo Echo Siu Mugabe or Yejma of radio power radio and I say radio XY. Okodin Trodigu Naposo Senapo Akwasisa. Engineers bi de omu firi baabi abegu ECG ho a omo na omo ye den omo fichire ECG fo mfidi enam so amadum so aba na nkrofo na omo ho onwo a anytime a omo be ye nkwase ade a ye beka bia no they find a way to what to say MPP for na ye light omo sha say na omo dundum na na ye kan so omo say MPP for na akoso MPP for bi na ye adwuma o ECG e na omo ama light e call off na no fraud na fa amamfo no ye ka no almost MPP fo na di sika bi na na no susu nti na ensu afa nipa. Now upon all the arresting programs and kwasiafo we betra konwa so mo aye mepemene adenti asenko bi degree sika yesem fa meyi gates yem fa me drainage system a obi adi amunim adenti up to na mo mfre obi amisa na no asem. It's a question. It's a question. But I believe on bedim kwasi asem bia na asem no be from so. Adwuma na on be say they are not ready, they cannot do it. Ayebeka ho asem bia no. They find a way to connect MPP to it. Enti kwasi ampanyin Mugabe okotena radio so say NAPO na asesa nkrofo. So mo say ECG for adwuma because NDC na tia konwam. So they want to disgrace NDC. And then a post that be asem we dear on money in trouble nkono kosi no abusia kwasi ampanyin no by say please I beg you forgive me I will not lie anymore against you. Yenti video no na sesia
an audio on this platform about a year ECG in Ashanti region which in that a year audio no Napodin appeared in the year audio ni so oni nkofobi and MPP for nkofobi akwa meeting Mugabe Maase amiti enya ade sema betena ha aka se NAPO akwa di bone ana se ECG engineer bia ye den akwa di eye bone. NAPO is a brother me call London me akuma ene Asante Babes kamba wo me no motena for close to about 7 years NAPO land na kamba wa babese wonu unity nini asante the same asante no so na me call land na na me yi miti baby ana meti and just about a minute walk to his barbering shop on Nikita ene ada babese nyina enti sa recording na audio na ye bo ha no se edo how be e abre yenua Matthew Opoko prempa Mijina SYZ Broadcasting ya Power FM room any TV SYZ toom as a general manager and host of this program said the bia metrana me catch say me bubibi na say ade no enfi me side am ka say allegedly and I use the word allegedly it is a do how be e abre and former MP for Mensia South, right? Yunia Matthew Opoko Prempa, dear can say, dear Yabo Habia, near Chesan, the chop and so yede, Edemano, Edo Habia, Bre on in a bushia, and any a young Kufua, yes, Eja, yes, Nika Geniasida, Nemum, Prayer, Ukaboma emu, Bawi Bakuno Bua, Ede, Ebuje, NDC MPP, Yenya Atanfo. Inna ya tunsa yede edidi tesini ya penyin se a audio na ebo ha no edo ha obi abrena yesese ye twisa audio no sai eto kuna nchen na odo a wo ye ntem da bia ye tenase ya kan ha no ye hwehwe mu aya ye ekire se that said ye meeting no bibia sa anyeden amaso inti omunyamfo yeah 2024 elections now running mate to papa Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia how be ade abre obi ana wadaroma adwobrɛw obetwe na wo so wo de atofo mbɔkɔ ade amaye ne de odo na wo ye ntem de bia no ye de abom asomsa saa so na mo a ebubo mu din bia no wa omubogum about the engineers but it was say Ashanti region some of the engineers no say NSU unions no man happy with that audio na ye boy no nti yigina ha say unions no moso mone workers ni nyina no how be ade abremu bia no SYZ broadcast ye say monfa nyeden monfa enche echopa mo den ye de mamu nyina sanso na bia ebeto dwa on that audio no say meeting na ho ne course no time da so ho no ya papa on de ne na ne didwa ewa ha ebesrese nyina monfa nyeden enche na yento aso yemfa odo no emom ne enye adwuma sene ye ne da bia no ntiemia NAPO our senior brother we render unqualified apology to you and we retract whatever that we said here, and then to the workers we retract and apologize, and to time that so we sincerely apologize for that audio that we played here. Let's move on as one nation.
Kwasi ampanyini afena unim one nation. Sawatio tie ene akwa we nkwasi asema waka fa mpipi fo ho ampipi mpan fo ho entro wadi ena nipa ba ko take ne on afena wa ba bonten se odo ewo ye ntam odo be na wo ni na pontam modi na ponim aye fom modi na po ho agro waka nsem fata na po ye arrogant na po mu obi a ene asem no che wono de wo so woni na po mu dido do be na woni na podi woni na podi do wo hefa. Now what I'm wishing is say NAPO should not forgive this fool. The American partner said NAPO should keep the suit on and make sure say the NDC will learn from this so that in the next campaign when they are talking they will use their senses and they will stop creating impressions ancestor to the people. And the best thing NAPO said, even though this stupid man has come to apologize, so apology we know you should not take it in consideration. See to now they are too court to honor. Masiu no nkoso. Now that 2 million Ghana cedi a suit no. Maninya adwuma 2 million. Wo gina wo power the Fabian PP bloggers na ye gincheni. Na kwasi ampanyi we nsu anyansa na yemfanye as yen kan say president said the next NDC campaign ebeye frenchem na nokure ebebam say ya no mo ye during the campaign time omo di ntro omo twa nkontompo omo kan de omo hu ye de omo nte ye omo keka nsem omo pa nyina edigu MPP pa enforce this time around we are going to use Maase Mugabe as what? As a scapegoat to show the NDC said the next election must to be, the campaign of the next election must to be organic. Etiemi panyin NAPO, Dr. Martin Opoku Prempeh, be man ehwene so. Ye papa Martin Opoku Prempeh, be ma wo hwene so na wo kasa ejeje wo hwene mu. Me se akwa wei emfa ne ho nche no. Let him go through and let the law rule over this. Abuso ha ena me don be see ene. My be phone last na too. I don't know if someone is ready to call because I want to time ko kakra. Yes, I saw me don be see na ochna. Nyankopon ya adoma ya sign aba line no. This time they are free kakra. So you will be able to come live every day. Yentimi ama at correct time kurana in the late hours, we will come back and make sure say we will keep on doing our job. Me mama Esther Efre. Eto am fa me mama Esther nti ono so de owo ka efa de yakan ho na ye koye nim nko a. Ooh, no. Oh no. Oh no. No. Mama Esther.
Mr. Mafu, good evening. Good evening. Who can say who come say? Where who come here for? You need me in common. Who come baby ya? Me chair when you ever see a phone because I tell the other person me chose me be a casapolo. Me person me chana me so be befra. I will hear so when I'm saying. Mr. Mafu, now call baby or now to so. Me chair the phone na. Hey. Na Branton you were when Mr. Mafu.
Branton you so I have to call him. My friend, we are my friend.
Me tine can't minimum stress na the salon the Ghana or
Yeah. Minimum so or trouble because now can be said there were some difficulties. But things they can be. Yeah.
Oh, already. Trishanama, ye why ye patcho.
Oh, my friend, later, my friend.
Friend, also, if it's any and wants some of the meeting, on one he be push you, so now for a battle.
In fact, what can I have
Mr. Wadaru Major, a bruchia some of the yo, Mr. Mafu, me chia when you were tear for no wash your phone, and I show BPR. See a red new month, and they at net Tosoni and son. Now, Mr. Mafu here, it's dear, now walking a shade. Now, Ghana media, your papa, how do you Panama 13? Aquana, a Canadian podcast and a fruitable fruit. Yes. Not me, not of Cassa was sensible, but the beer between me a year on another decade. But as the time goes on, Omuba year near me beer, chef. Only pound is a mouth for so what to why a debia fan no cre, 80 kind. No cre Fedikan. And maybe be a yesika. Money is not everything.
Absolutely not. Money can never
your
be
head,
everything.
yes, your health every day. Pray for your health every day. Because ube wusika dama, but sikano ende unkwa. So we do hospital there, near Kachosa Utamaso. There's no amount of bribe. I'll be bribe doctor. What do you mean? So, not what bribe. Or my hero Kwabra Sant, media for Ghana, they know the truth to save Ghanaian citizens. But Oma can assure Moto and Oma Tamaso. Now, we see a dream Mokokia, because Omani ye yina no Yankupon, Opia no wall, two baby and the room about Pakoto. And I'm some food to food here. Opia the room about Pakoto. What dear one the cocotoye? Yes, why a babu chair by William Meguhano. Yenny a penny a bar, honey, about William Megua. It will almost one from my day. So what you say? A different tea and a media for just because President Bian first could be armed, bro, but wasn't another fault. Then another fault. A UOP and another near man was for ye, Sika was for the media for what Tamaso. But you turn the blind eye to blame the old man. Look at some fool and some fool and some fool and Papa. Yeah, baby, Kakakami at Twaba. Or my new quadrasa to what no must say. A show so, I walk, you can't say, or Hineba, I walk a won't to me show so must say. Shall some more Kakafa Galamse? But you knew the truth. Why didn't you spill the beans? If it was NPP people were involved, spill the beans. Have a ball to spill the beans. If it was NDC people were involved, spill because you are saving human. Come there, Mr. Mafutuwe. NPP ni be and Trianicao, or Mubaka will move Mr. Mafuka, or still or spill or pure mountain. Sorry for Yen Juma. And I'm Mr. Mafu, what is coming from and can't tell me.
And I come more my name Come by England, I better watch your
soon I mean so many Tiano, or Pian Triamica. But when you know what to Ghana, Muslim call myself to some media for you know, say, NPP have done so much for the Ghanaians. But Mutana was showing a whoop on him, and my NDC you so more a propaganda. Emma Omano and then a sea penny. They say, what to movie and I say, what to movie, what to movie. They say, what to know we are saying, no more yet greedy. Kasami Kumunya, Kasa Ghanaians, yet say a more because one for crossing a more be a one for crossing any pious, yet to Ghana. Because of what? Because ye be PI Afoya, Mr. Mapo, Afoya, who Madoko Yama to the set, yet you be Kony and the new one. Instead of saying about one man of true baby or two, the young one in 10 years of Sansan or him and Banson were true baby or dream. You bet you turning into young fair transcend, young Cobelli and then cheated to tour. Yes, I feel be a passy, ye be a bayet in the panel up brassing. And the Ghana mo column who say, Monday more 87 or 70 something Christians and the work Ghana. Mr. Mafo, I won't born in any Ghana for 10 hours.
Oh, not so one more way. Ghana for the one I jump up for.
As soften up a palm who Ghana. wɔn ne politicians no ɛna temamufoɔ no ɛɛbrɛ obi otumi ka kyerɛ sɛ yɛde yɛn mma bɛyɛ sacrifice
the firstborn
na matumi ahwɛ nyankopɔn anim atɔ mmɔ mu daakye agu akoto aba de ama Mahama yɛ criminal Mahama yɛ criminal ɔyɛ criminal wɔso wɔ first justice so what you say NDC fo nyinaa no ɛwɔ si yɛde ɔmo gyina international court na ɔmo first justice moyɛ ayi yɛ ka ne sɛ constitution full way ɛde ato hɔ who did the constitution favor ɔmo ɔne no ɔmo na favor wɔn mo and you people are called the blind eyes looking at all this ayi see the way I want to so hwɛ deɛ wɔyɛ see the foforɔ way I want to so Mr. Mafo hwɛ deɛ wɔyɛ Abra, CJ, you are there to protect the ordinary person. Na papa panimu wa tifia dru say ya won ko pension. Hwene Mahama bai wa mane di o mane ye. And I hope say that no mum broshe enko she under carpet. Wo be ma papa we afest justice. So what ye dear kra mo manifest justice. For the one more that or more learning how to become a lawyer, they will learn from there. The Ghana phone penny for man ya pa na mu ye weak. Mu no mano. Mu no omano. Ya tena sia magana Mr. Mafu e be 70 years red the Ghana aye. Shania nesia unu msa nesia match ni 70 years. Shania Ghana to me and to boni patat yenyan 40 million kura. Ama frafo na kaya kuna ebi ebedru 40 million. The kura population, the UK population. But everything is in the right order. Nipa baba be right order na maye no. And Ghana for so omunya dey omu peno because omu ye akrom. They hate Dr. Mahmoud Baumia so much. Now, so some pennyful when you know, some of them, no, they study in abroad. Some of them were born in abroad. I think, and I'm ensuring you in Sumama Quantaya. Ghana for pennyful. And God is watching every single of you. There. Muslim go for Obama na be vice president. Obey Mr. Mafudi and Woye.
I saw a ghost. Mami was a ghost vice president.
Now, or part time, we are Mammy Penny age. Who bet Jirawan was spinting workers say, no, enough is enough. Enough is enough. But Debbie, you do one I'm set peace with toy.
And oh dear sir.
And what dear sir? I will wig say your friend say you kuraba. Afghanistan for kuraba. And some phone mammy will what one would ye and wash and more no casani chrome as sinking. As when you know, Mr. Mafu, Ghana for the Quaco to Abba at the money that. So I'm some president. So I'm some better. I be bet Shiamun in Amoka, and I hope to say Tamuna Mubenyano, Namuda Sutiase. Mua. Nay, buy a bed down to us. Down to us. When Yamine Chia will come back a crack a crow. When Yamin. Oh, Chiamu Kappa Kakakana as a young boy, I was so. What on Ghana, Ama Mahama near Ibrahim. Yanquasia Sama or 2 hour walking, Mr. Mafu. Yanquasia Sama or 2 walking. Gantua, who do you think you are? Would the Bawumia to chief from? Would the Nanadu to chief from? Just with 2,000 beer, the Bama woman. You put Ghana on the silver platter for politicians. A poor giant dantua. Nana Mahama Bane issue, you have to Mahama for so, Nana go find a buy. Dantua. Ye Busau. And now I go for Musudia where the bread Ghana for. And I made them say, a da will be babbling a hole. No what some told ya to Dr. Mahmoud about me so. Mr. Ghana Busumina, and wouldn't need Gatwa. Ghana Busumu go on an animal. Say, I saw for you drive or more away, dear. So, would you know near and Chiaka Sena Mr. Mafu or Mukubo? Ye dear, or Munnin, no, me say, Mahama the Solomon Gomoria, Abba Ghana. The first day or accepting gave for more Mukisi or Independence Square, and a Mahama did taboo about Ghana. Or the fee, a fear Kagana and Knafwa Busum, or the fear Kano, Mahama has touched what he not supposed to touch. To me, my gave for a meeting, Ghana. Mahama, just look at you. You are so pathetic. We are pathetic. We are the most waste of president I've ever known. You are so disgusting. Now ensure you for woman what helicopter and I will shuffle. Huh? Mudia say, move first can feed you and me who are got to a man on me to say. Cecian, what do you dear catcher? Huh? Ghana for more mutamu kokromoti. Mahama dear, or dear no be a dibi, who got to a man. And my brother say, and a baller, a minimum, qualila, a yermo. Metananka, Alajo, me, Metiwa, Madame Fudoya, Juma, UN. Me quiet, some quack was saying, you can still be a year, Mr. Mafu, ni pair form, ni electric. That was so many years ago, about 25 years ago. It's Alajo, Jamie, you said you were 10 and Nima, so I saw it down and see Nima run about a superman and chancing, a chancing so pie, a car. Akulabiti to kwem, niti etu kwem. Eti Ghana de se ensure ye wo ye can say draining system locker. E was some panifo we mu ye de. Mu hwe na mu ye sa de we nyina. E na Ghana so ye ndi ye kuni.
Problem kese.
Eti ade was se see panifo ne hwe ne say anybody ensure pa wo pia ball gumu. They should be arrested. They should be punished. You punish woman because the Cromwell yetino every week be and some way ye be a footballer. What to me footballer no and cotua bontensa with that sound about dumping space no a piaka.
This time crown is Okotubora Cromwell. This is from 6 o'clock in the evening. But the call 4 hours time no one by football. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, a piano dear and a plastic dear, almost fun different day.
Okay, I see.
It's a debentina, moon shada, and yes, I didn't be a co be a think a waste beans. Not opia, dear young chinfanko, and a gun of four got Casamasa for now coming.
Yeah, the better fool and a roof helicopter. I could find a picture. I can say, yeah,
you
control the egos.
Aye, if we are near Kodasi.
Aye, exactly.
Yakodasi said, Raddy, and was so a mention, your pisa din in our bed. Your kumfa. Colilla, and they be Kumaman for, in Siono. In Siono. Send pay or Siena told you, and then should ask them if you be a Sukumasi, a yampa, who was also so flooded.
Into the big cities.
Yeah, Mr. Mafu, wouldn't say, San Yama Wayne Yanano. enua ene galamsey na yetuo because ye ni forester e hodu sa niema no se bia eniem ye ni sa niema ni bi resources na ebetumi a protect oxygen ni ade beba oman mu no empanifo na kane nyina butu na ukofo obi te se Mahama so medi wo so a he knows what he was doing. What dear Mr. Mafo asem wo ya make kone kokotena se how can a president board the whole traditional medias? Would you kotena se because onim se oni adwene aye dipu man. He hasn't got one. Mahama litino na dwene no edemu no ade chinda bia no wo hwehwe e wo ne dem. Ehuru kwa ha was Mahama catch me no wadwane asa kwa it was wo mami konya kana me fanya den enkata adwene no so na menna me hwehwe adwene ni biem because me ni bi etinu wonim de no wo baba ba ye ntu to media fo ni nyina to keep them quiet and obi ti se kwase adwanto ano so ye de ko to mu
$2,000
dollars ai eti philosopher su kwache edu se ayi ye bo mochi a no watu so se na wo na abekasa wo de ya wo de study system no pa eya na wo mo mbekasa wo ba beto bomb ni nyina ye tue o mka ye tue wo mu nyina aka na anu Canada Japan de se no de kope contract so no wache contract prayer na me won't me can't me say and I won't me some adwene say Canada Japan wa fraud o mine no with a contract the man light and kania pola ya kaso nyina wanye nyina na yire contract nyina no you can never tell me say there was nothing to fun about Canada Japan e betumi di na cosel and e betumi ate no yoko betumi ate na to catch me say ebi ni ho sa Mr. Mafo
say your friend that was saying any hurry
eti enti ni your friend because ono ena ni o mu dealing ono ena aton MPP diama NDC for ena ebi nso so ka ho it's not only Canada Japan eti no sa niam wo ye ni nyina no a certain example clear at the home want me or the appointment that so why abronye or the appointment to be suda eti obia fana ni enhwe system ni mu na obia so fana dwene to no mo hwe the way a eniema ekọ it tells you straight away it's ye ni ye de ehwe John Mahama na when no omo baba ka che say basintele kwasia no so okodua takibeli no obeka che say okodina so de dem say Mahama besa akobi okokuro okonya akonya be so no wosa akotena musuo we badro ko e odi aba o man mu nki yadi amana ene be pam na chintentem mana pa ne yadi be pam na chi ene mo ntena ho mo be hu ye se ya dwene ebom ankasa badro ko e amodi aba tese me hu bi da first one the same second one the same we all ko e die be legacy enu oja ko Mahama de musuo ne ba ya fa de musuo aye den eja no kwan eti Ghana for mo amohu ye ka kire mu se mo ntoma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na I'm so glad say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia 2024 no 2020 when we because we win ya Mr. Mafo e ka krofo we dwom be di papa we no ho ka onya room kra no wa home
yanko ponso asese omo no mbedi so ye hu omusu no omopan
yes now way I think it will set Ghanaians mentality how they vote and how they think onyame ena me bompa ye say from now on going no every sacrifice bia NDC for be your omo to apeto wo so emo no ne asechire no so so ni emo no ne asechire ne ntama no omo de bro omo no omo de akoye sacrifice no mo so nje or the man wa wuji e wutu ba bia no wato agu tugu mo so nye eno ene e torment mo a mukodu ayi ba bia to aba na mo wuru de mo adwene nya dai ensisi so de onipa e wo sa na adwene sisi so because mo no ne niema na ye di brem no nya they still sacrifice on top and san no mo de ye dai e de brem mo money na Ghana for na 2028 mo koto aba e ma the wisdom person onimonyam ni a na dwene e de bia e fefe the flowers na dwene ni fifi fufro because okotna sia no nyame e de adwen fufro de man say wudi nsua water flowers na efifie Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia munkoto abamfa mano 2028 na masetena mu no enye fom esua bapa je asumdue faja wo ba ansa no wako wadaka kire wo ba no se do betutu nanamon ansa no wako wadaka kire wo ba ne se ade we na ye ansa no wako wadaka na munya chimie no ne abram se ede bie besi afidie so ekwan ya ma ye memu ntasuo nyina ye den ewie mon sesa madwene na MPP for omontena so to say the NDC for atana so na so every intervention be a Ghana bia MPP made it omo ya kromfonti no MPP trust omo de bia ko digital wo de hwehwe omo ba na omo bese ene folder na ukwa hospital si a folder no ye hwehwe bia mo
ya se akoyachi
MPP for pusi ekoya nemu 10 no masa pusi abayachi 20 emua pa ne no omuti o man emua besa mafo menua be ma nyame nhira so watena se age me call so nyame nka ho bebie besa hia me dasi eni odo a wo ma Ghana nyame nka mo
said mo man hia Ghana ma ye wara wudi o man hia na wan kese o pa mo ye nyina ye nso so it's our duty
ai ye nyina ye ntua ye kanso ye se be ye MPP mra power back enya muwa yi o mutiti su ya o madwene nyina ewu se da asentu good night Mr. Mafu
good night to you amen ka ye ma me Esther ke barima na ye te ne kana busianfo ebre aso se busianfo me da munya asese munya ntobase na mutie the show no nyina ba bi yedru de me do mbesi na makofie na makope bibi e de ato me yam yankopon boa na oma yen ahoden a se de tie bia no ye be sign aba back on this show tomorrow. Thank you all and I love you all. To meet again. Adios. Akra mo nyina.